There's another quick bite I want to learn how to make. For this, I'm gonna have to cross through the sprawling property and head to their jetty. Weather's looking a little overcast, slightly sunny, but it doesn't matter. It is wintertime in the southern hemisphere. Right now, we're gonna have a beach barbecue. We're gonna take a boat over to the exclusive private beach Illusurf. So grill, sun, hopefully seafood, Mauritian barbecue. Let's do this. Head over to the island. Heading into the gorgeous Illusurf Islands and Four Seasons private beach, Chef Patrice has got the grill going. Gorgeous lobster, shrimp, snapper, beef, a proper Mauritian surf and turf is on full display. But he's keen to show me something far simpler and truly Mauritian.
Nice to meet you. So today I'm going to make the chili bite for you. We usually eat it in the morning when we wake up.
You wake up and have something chili and spicy?
Yes.
I love that. That's
with some
totally
tea,
my style.
we eat it with tea.
I'm excited to check out chili bite. Let's do it.
We start with yellow lentil. So for 24 hours, we remove the water. We put it on the rock. We go like this.
Wow.
It's not completely crushed like in a blender. It's like lightly crushed. So now we will mix it with the spices that we need. Some salt, pepper, coriander, spring onion. So the magic thing here in Mauritius is this one.
Curry leaf.
Yes, as well. And we mix the spicy part, dry and fresh mixed together.
Let's do it.
Okay. We make a bowl first. They just put a small hole inside like this. Come like a ring. You can put sauce or...
Ah, what a great idea. It's a little holder for sauce or any other accoutrement.
Yeah.
Chili bites are ready. Can we dig in?
Yes, you can dig in.
Cheers, my friend.
Cheers.
This would go nice with a black tea. This is like a pakora in India.
Yes, almost.
Great with tea, or you know what? I'd rather have it with a beer.
Yeah.
you like my
just
way of
go
thinking?
on the bar.
Exactly.
You drop a beer and a few
Chili bites. Boom. Moving on to the next item, the tartare, Mauritian style. What makes it Mauritian? Well, let's find out.
This one is a fresh tuna. We get it this morning. We go very traditional, olive oil, 2 spoons, salt, pepper, onion, fresh onion, some spring onion as well to get the juice of lemon. We just press directly inside. We mix all together. We have some pickles that we make here.
Okay.
This one is an apple pickle. So I will put a just small piece like this on top. Then I will put some fennel on top. That's all.
That looks so beautiful. The perfect bite. Super fresh fish, the crunchiness of the apple, but the unique thing going on is that pickled taste.
Yes.
It's like in India it's called achar, right?
Yeah.
It's got that taste. I've never had that taste mixed with tartare.
Yes.
Without a doubt, the luxury, the serene beauty of the property, this is Mauritius picture perfect. Just as I expected.